Hi, I'm 𝐈𝐍𝐐𝐔𝐈𑑑𝐘 and I'm staying and working here in Dubai for almost 8 years. I will be your trainer in baking cakes here in Emirates Education Center. In this course, the students will learn how to do the proper measurements and some substitutes when it comes to ingredients and all those tools that we're using for baking a cake. You will have a delightful and delicious cakes as an outcome of this course. After taking this course, you can establish your own business or you can apply as a pastry chef in a restaurant or in a hotel. If you want to enhance your knowledge in baking cakes, come and enroll in Emirates Education Center. We teach success.